Line tool in the sidebar or press L for Line on your keyboard. Click on the section of your canvas area where you would like to start creating the line. Keep clicked until you reach your desired length, and then release. Release. It's a wonky line, and no one likes wonky lines. To remove the wonk, while creating the line, hold the Shift key to constrain it to 45-degree angles. Now let's add a splash of dash for cutting or tracing lines. Simply click the dash line checkbox and adjust the values to create a line that you love. Alternatively, select a pre-created line and hit the checkbox. Ooh, what a dashing line you are now!